Hello, hi, and namaste everyone. So, guys, behalf of today's day, let's see what guidance are we getting from Goddess Lakshmi. So, here's our first card, and the card is from Shri Ram God. Wow, King of Dharma. Now, here the word Dharma, I will say this. Yes, this does resonates with our religion and everything, but also at times Dharam comes with respect to ourselves only, our morals, what are our principles and all everything. So we all know about Lord Ram. Should I give example? So if you really are concerned about your religion, or if you wish to become religious, more religious, that you feel that yes, now is the time that I should follow my religion, I should respect my religion, and I should do something for my religion, you can pray to Lord Ram. This is what I would say over here. And with respect to your own self, that you feel that you should have your own morals, principles, your boundaries, your priorities, everything about it. Yes, you can still pray to Lord Ram for this. Guys, with this I would like to say that do check the description. I will give over there that how you can pray or invoke Lord Ram for your benefit, for your well-being. So do check it. Let's see another message. Okay, here's the card. Balance spiritual and material wealth. So remedy over here is set time for both practices. So guys, I always feel that not everyone can be 100% spiritual, not anyone can be 100% practical. You need to be, balanced in respect to both, because at times if someone who is a lot spiritual, a situation may come, or at times these stuffs may are a lot of time these stuffs arrive that we need to prove something. Every time we just cannot say each and everything spiritually, right? Or we cannot just do spiritual remedies and rituals, everything. What about practical things, that we are just praying, we are just going to temple and all, doing all such things, fine. But what when it comes to practical things, this will only manifest for you only when you're practically applying it, right? So please have balance between the both. Just don't be too practical, just don't be too spiritual. Please have that balance, because whatever it is, you are here on this mother earth because of these divine energies. So you cannot be 100% practical also. So you need to have that thing in your mind, that in life now, if you are at a point that where you are earning something, you're blessed, you're abundant, you're prosperous, then this is why is this? Because maybe in some or the other lifetime you were someone who has prayed a lot with respect to the same, you were a lot spiritual and all everything. Please always remember that, because of your these good karmas, you are blessed in this birth or so. So hence I would say that please be balanced between the both. If you are doing some spiritual rituals, remedies, please also concentrate, focus on implementing practically some things, not just keeping on doing each and everything. Search for opportunities, go where you can, that you can build a successful career or business or anything you wish to have. So here's an affirmation, and this affirmation will be given in the description also. I harmonize my spiritual and material lives, creating a balanced prosperity. Okay, so this will be mentioned in the description. And with the first card, again, I would say check the description. I would let you know how you can pray or invoke Lord Ram in your for yourself. Okay, thank you.